on a journey, mommy on a journey, mommy on a journey, your mommy on a journey, mommy on a journey, mommy on a journey, mommy on a journey, your mommy on a journey, 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 your mommy on a journey.
Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a vlog, clearly by the title, so I'm feeling sitting here, so don't mind me looking here. So I've decided to start a vlog of a couple of days in my life, probably about a week, because we're going to Bloem, we're going to visit my mom, and yeah, so I thought let me take you along with me and have like a vlog situation. So today actually I wanted to show you how I pack, or how I prep for the trip, but the weather is it's confusing. It started out raining this morning, and then the sun came out a little bit, and then it rained again. So I was like, hey, I don't want to do laundry because I wanted to do laundry and then like wash the stuff that I want to take with me. Yeah, that's not happening. So I guess let me just make announcements today, and yeah, from tomorrow probably, hopefully, I'll be able to do laundry and like show you what I pack and how I choose and everything. So yeah, quick announcement is I'm going to be cooking again, starting to cook again. I kind of lost inspiration or motivation to cook because nothing was really inspiring me, so it was like, I don't really, you know, but now I bought this cookbook from Takealot, and I've been wanting this cookbook for such a long time, and finally I have it, so I'm excited about that. So the cookbook is the South African Vegan. So I'm excited, man. Like it really looks really, really nice. Like, you know, it shows a lot of stuff. There are, you know, breakfast, there's smoothies, there's salads, there is soup. So there's actually a lot of things in here, and it's very it looks really, really nice, and the pictures are so gorgeous. So you can actually see what you're making, you know. So there's even Let's Have a Bride. Like I'm really excited about this book. So I'm going to be doing a lot of recipes from these books, and obviously adding my own little spice. But yeah, I'm excited about that. And also when I bought this, I also bought TJ these stuff. So he hasn't spoken yet. He doesn't speak yet. Yeah, there was a point where he like uttered some stuff, but then it stopped. Another reason, I think they told me that when your child develops fast in all the other aspects, because he started walking really, really fast, his teeth came out really, really quickly, and yeah, so he learned all these other things quickly, and the speech one is like, okay, what happened, you know? So yeah, apparently that's normal, and then there was a speech therapist at his school, and he was like, nah, relax, they only like takes from 2.5 and all, but for now, don't worry. Also, because you're speaking multiple languages at home, it's like really not a big deal. So I wanted to actively teach him how to speak and all of that. So I thought this would be like a sort of, even though it's like older kids, like 4 in class, but I thought just to get him away, because I took out just a few of them, of the stuff that I know he does, and he understands, that he responds when I say these words and whatnot, and he's heard them repetitively. So I'll give him this, what when we're about to eat, I give him this, and be like, eat, and then he'll like, oh, okay, understand, and he'll take it, and then he'll look at it and be like, you know, eat. So I'm not really doing the actual intent, like this, the way, because they'll tell you there's like what to do, like an activities guide of some sort, but I'm not going to do that because kids are over kids. So I'm just going to introduce certain words to him, and then yeah, and then I want to create this file of sort. I have this idea of a file that I want to make to teach him like alphabets, letters, quick words, and stuff like that. So I wanted sort of inspiration on how to do it. So this gave me an idea of, okay, pictures and words, then I'll do like letters and all of that. So I'm excited about that. But I will show you what I do. I'll show you the folder. I'll show you how I create the whole thing and how I print it out and how I interact and make activities with him with it. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I think that's it for today. shown you, but for now, because of the weather, I can't really show you about the trip. And yeah, so for now.
So I quickly wanted to show you something, guys. Just a quick plug. I bought this diffuser, ne? So I bought it at Home Living Space. Here's the box at home. So the price $4.99. But guys, can you see? Can you see it was $3.99? Oh, my timing was just bad. So yeah, I bought it for $4.99. The reason is I love how it smells. So I bought this, which was it's the spray, and you see it was this one, same spray, same fragrance, but the spray. So I really, really, really love this spray, and I thought, you know what? Let me buy this to make it last longer because the spray only lasts for like a day or so. This has been smelling like this for the longest time, like the whole house. You just keep changing it, and and it's taking a while because I mean I've had it for about, let's say, a week or two, and it's already like, and it's still like a lot. So I'm very happy, but it's a very, very strong scent. I wanted the candle. Before I bought this, I bought the candle, and I really, really loved the candle, but I felt like the candle didn't have a strong scent. Like you smelled it only when you lit it, and like for a short period, and that's that. So I was like, unless you light it the whole day, and I don't want to light the candle the whole day. So I bought the spray, and then I saw the diffuser, and I was like, oh yay, I'm so excited. So here's a quick plug. If you really like things that smell nice, guys, I'm a scent person. I'm a really, really a scent person, and this makes me happy. This makes me happy. So if you know any other beautiful scents, nice scents, let me know. And yeah, let's share scents, guys.
I can't even explain it, nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Ooh, really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you mind.
Good morning, everybody. Here's day 2 of the prepping. So basically, today it was raining again in the morning, so I wasn't sure if I could do laundry or not. So when the sun came out, I put all my laundry here. So this is all of my laundry. I'm still going to sort it out. I'm going to sort out what I want to take and what I'm not going to take. So yeah, I'm going to start sorting this out. And yeah, because I'm gone for about a week and it's pretty cold outside, so I'm taking all of my jerseys and all of that. So yeah, let's get to sorting. Okay, so I'm done sorting everything out, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take you through what I'm thinking of packing because I'm not really that. Yeah, my clothes. Yeah, I need a new wardrobe. But then I took tracksuits, one tracksuit, second tracksuit, the third one, the third tracksuit, remember? And then I took okay, this is the TJ stuff. Like it's all like his wintry stuff. So I just took them off him now because he was wearing them. So I want to wash them for the trip and his gown. But I also took this jumper, a couple of tracksuits for him. But most of his stuff are actually clean. And I took a little bit of because he gets really, really hot and he sweats a lot at night especially. But he likes taking the blankets off. So I got him like light banana ones in case he's too hot, but there's the warm ones. And then Bloom is cold, so I got like some corduroys for him. But half of his stuff is actually clean. I'm just like, it's just a couple of these things. I'm still going to sort his stuff out properly once I wash these and I can figure out what's going where. But yeah, that's his my pajamas, winter pajamas. Yeah. Uh, the pants. I think the pants are clean because I don't like wearing bottoms when I'm sleeping. They like wrap around me and it's uncomfortable. So like bottoms not my thing. So I just usually wear tops. So I took this jersey. This one, okay, it's inside out, but you'll see it if I do wear it. Um, this one, and this one, as I said, one of my favorite ones. So I took 4 jerseys, and then I took like these plain tees, like these plain long sleeved tees. So it's okay. This is a light pajama for me because I took the thick and hot one, but in case I overheat, like sometimes I get hot at night, so the lighter one will do. So yeah, I took 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 3. There is a 4th one I was thinking of taking, but I'm still on the fence about it. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be taking too many clothes because it's like about 7 days or a little bit more, like maybe like 10 days max. So I don't know, but yeah, 3 of these, and then I took these 2 plain tees as well, but like they short sleeved, just in case. You never know, what if it gets hot or something. And then I took 3 jackets, like a puffy jacket, a thinner one, like this thin type of jacket as well, and then a jean jacket. And then I took two black leggings. So it's these 2 black leggings, long, very comfy, because sometimes you will be sitting in the house and you don't feel like wearing like dress up, so you just want to wear something comfy. And I took 1 jean, and I took 2 of these, just in case you feel like going out or whatnot. I don't know what you feel like doing, so these sort of chino type pants. I love them, baby. I get them from Pick and Pay clothing actually. Real, and like, oh, they're so comfy, they're so stretchy. You can like wear them in a formal setting like chino vibes, but you can also wear them like a little more casual, dress it up with a t-shirt or whatnot. I love them. Probably I have like 6 of them. I have like 2 of this color. I have, I think, 2 of these. Yeah, and then I have like that military green one. I have a white one. I have 2 white ones. I actually have a couple of them, but yeah, I just took 2. Then lastly, I have 2 of these. These are like these comfy sweats. They're so nice and thick as well. Like, look inside. Nice and fleece. They're pretty thick. So yeah, just took these 2, and then it's just a couple of socks that I'm washing, and yeah, basically that's that. So I'm gonna wash them in intervals. So I think I'm gonna start with the jerseys. Yeah, then I'll wash them bit by bit because the weather is again. But yeah, so let's wash. So what I'm gonna do now, you see these stains, nah? The last time I washed them, they didn't come off. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the detergent on them and then wash them and see. Hopefully this time it'll come out. To show you guys that remember the stains that were here, they're actually gone. I'm so excited. Yay, they're gone. Good morning. This is the morning of the trip. We leaving this morning. It started raining in the morning. Not me checking in at like 3 in the morning. Like I woke up around 3 and then I decided to check in online. I ordered an Uber. Scheduled it to pick me up at 9:30 because the flight, we need to be there. The check-in of the bags is at 20 past 10, so we need to be there earlier. So I scheduled everything, checking in and everything is all done, packing is done. The only thing that needs to be done now is take a bath. I'm going to shower now, get ready, and then have breakfast and then go. So it's now 8 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 7, but I was just like feeling off because I woke up in the middle of the night and I was up until maybe 4. So yeah, so now we're gonna get ready and then I'll probably talk to you guys again once we get to the airport because you're leaving with a child and you're pressed for time is a little bit you have to, I don't know if I'll be able to speak to you. Perhaps I'll like show you the way. And yeah, so yeah. Talk when we get to the airport.
Pack your bags, we're leaving today. What is taking you so long? Don't look back, we're on our way. Turn up our favorite song. We're going wherever the wind blows, and enjoy the ride along the way. Forget the past.
Good morning, everybody. So, this is the day after the long flight. So, basically, what happened yesterday is because it's a little bit dark, but yeah, I'm too late to get up. It's cold. It's so cold here. Oh, it's cold, and yeah, I'm sleeping. And yeah, like the blinds, I half opened them to try to bring on the light, but yeah, it's still a little bit dark, so I have like a proper maybe update later on. But for now, I just wanted to say good morning and explain a little bit about what happened yesterday. So our flight was supposed to originally be at 20 past 11 in the morning, and then they sent us a text saying that it's going to be delayed and sent us a new time. And I was like, okay, fine. Luckily, I was still at home, so we were able to like wait it out at home. And while we were still waiting, there was another text saying, no, it's going to be delayed. And I felt that like the time was now later on. And I was like, so it moved from like 11 past 2 to almost 3. So I was like, yo, okay, fine. And then we left finally, because now it was close to the time. We went to the airport, and then we got there and got there quite early. Got pretty early because I thought there would be a lot of traffic, but there wasn't a lot, so kind of made it earlier than I expected. But fine. Checked in our bags and everything because we had already checked in online. Just checked in the bags, and then yeah, we waited. So while we were waiting, there was like a little delay, but it was only for a few minutes. We ultimately boarded the flight at I think it was like 3:30 to 4, maybe like yeah 3:30 to 4, maybe quarter to 4. We were like getting ready to board. Like there were the boards were like go to the gate and whatnot around that time. We had they initially said we're gonna be boarding at 3, so it was a little bit of a not even a little bit more of a delay. And then yeah, that was the delay there that happened. And yeah, basically from 11 to 4, and yeah, the wait is just. But then Kepo, he was supposed to actually sleep on the flight. That's why I booking flights around 12 because his nap time is around 12. So he ended up sleeping. He slept later though. He slept when he got to the airport. He slept from like 2 to 3 on my lap, so it was fine. He had his like hour nap, and then he was awake the whole flight. Yo. So usually when we fly, he was like much younger, so he'd be like excited and whatnot. He'd just look around. It wouldn't really be an issue. Now, and it was the first flight he was not sitting on my lap. He was sitting because he's now turned to um the day before the flight, so he had to buy this like guys, and we so used to paying like 150 for him, so now it's like the same amount. So I was like, you too, man. We should like make it from 5 or whatnot. But yeah, he sat on his own seat for the first time, and he was a little bit like, and I couldn't record it. I wanted to record it and show you guys, but he really didn't want to. And then he did the boob thing when he put his hand in my boob to soothe him. He does that to soothe me, to soothe him, to soothe himself, yeah, because he used to breastfeed. So when he stopped, I think he stopped at like 21 months, 21 months. Um, yeah, then he stopped feeding, and then he just resorted to just like playing with my nipples. So he plays with my nipples to either like calm him down or soothe him. So probably like before he sleeps or when he's feeling uneasy or he's feeling like so then he'll just come and put his hand in. So he did that. So I had to like sit that awkwardly like leaning towards him, making breathe, and then like he took off. Taking off was okay. Landing, he just I think landing for because we were playing, so he sort of like it caught him off guard. It was a bit, and then it was because for me landing is like I enjoy taking off. So for him taking off was just uneasy because he was like, what's going on? I feel funny, and then he was like and then yeah, so that was like fun to watch him older on a plane. Like it was very interesting. And then yeah, um, yeah, so yeah, that was that. And then probably got home. We landed at like was 4, but I think we only left the airport at 6 because of waiting for the bags and everything. So we left the airport around 6, so it was pretty dark. Yeah, and then we got home and yeah, took a shower, ate, and then exhausted, and then rested a little bit, and then yeah. And here we are. But today I don't think we're gonna be doing anything. We're probably just gonna be chilling at home. Maybe we'll go for like a nice walk outside so that we can like see where we are, see outside and everything. But maybe we're at like 12 because at least that's the hottest of the day. But it's cold, so yeah, we'll wait until the sun is like at its peak and then walk around. And I think you're along with us, but it's really not gonna be like around. It's just in the yard, walk in the yard. Because you don't just live in an apartment, in a complex, but it's in an apartment, and you don't really have a yard, so the yard is like, yeah, so here you have like a yard, and it's also still in a complex, so it's like the yard in the complex and the yard of the house, so at least it's some space, and yeah, you can enjoy outdoors, see some nature vibes, so yeah, that's that basically, so yeah, before. And then we'll see you when we walk, and yeah, then we're still gonna plan what we're gonna do for the week. So we're gonna go out, we say we're gonna go out, and what we're gonna do, because it's just my mom, so yeah, we do mom and daughter bad thing with 2 years of week. Okay, I'll see you later. Smile, I open my mouth really, really wide. So I kind of keep cracking it, and it starts to heal, and I laugh too loud or whatnot, and then it cracks, and then it starts again. I don't know, guys, how do you deal with these things? Like, I've never had to deal with this before. I don't know how to, like, yeah, I've been putting an exam back on it. I don't know what to do with it. Like, I don't know. And it's not really, I don't know if it's like a flu blister, because sometimes, like, when you wake up and you dry, and then you have, like, this mouth crack, and then it cracks. It started as that, and then it turned into like blisters and stuff. So, disgusting. Sorry. So, simple. Oh, yeah. So I think I wanted us to go for a walk now, because it seems like it's bright enough outside. I'll show you when we get outside. You can't see. I'll show you when we get outside, and then yeah. But now it's dark. Let me make it bright again. Yeah, I want us to take a walk now in the morning and take like the morning breeze and stuff. So I want us to brush our teeth first. Yeah, also, fun fact, remember that book I told you guys about? I brought it with me because I'm going to try some recipes with my mom, because my mom loves cooking as well, so we're going to try some recipes. I just found this, I forgot, let me tell you guys a little bit about this. It's a spacer, basically, half a thing. Remember now, I was telling you that Tep has been sick a lot lately, like ever since he started school, and he's been having like, he had like bronchiolitis and whatnot, so he's been having like respiratory infections and all of that. So I put his stuff in here just to put it on my intro. So basically, it's a half pack kit, so it comes with this box, the actual thing that you get is this. This is the spacer thing, is what you get, but then luckily it comes with this. It's all included in the thing, so you can protect your disease like this. It's not one, this is not a quantity. I'm just telling you guys what we got. I think it was like 800, this thing, because he needed like inhalers and whatnot. They prescribed it for him, and then these are like for his nasal stuff, and so it's been a journey and a half. Seeing a car going through the most, guys. It's not. So I packed them like this. I don't know if you're supposed to put it like this, but well, look who's closing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, like, we've been going through the most, but this is so cool.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Suitcase.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that cool she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come on fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA, yo. We could do it my way, baby. Make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel 'em. If I never do, I'ma go talk 'em. Baby, you rock 'em. Need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, body. I love it. I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind. You gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, original bad man. Oh.
come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdraw symptoms, fix my condition. Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdraw symptoms. I found something special, and it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy the view. I found something special, and it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy the view.
Oh, kita kwan.